Are you ready, Miss Pretty?
Yeah, I can hear. Yes, I'm so sorry. We had an emergency with West Texas Detention Facility.
Okay, all right. So this is cause number 2024-0C00458, 2023-0C08840, 2023-0C08189, 2023-0C08899, 2023-0C07984, State of Texas versus Brian Owens Mays. Present, we have Ms. Pretty for the defendant and Mr. Valdez for the state. Mr. Owens, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You may lower your hand. Mr. Owens, it's my understanding that you will be pleading on a burglary of vehicle with, it's a Class A misdemeanor and cause number ending at 8899. And the other burglary of vehicle, also Class A misdemeanor and cause number ending in 7984. Did you go over the plea documents with your lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you read them and understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
So understand that in these documents, you are waiving some very important rights, one of which is the right to appeal. Because this is a plea bargain case between you and the state, you have no right to appeal and your plea is final today. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And the state's recommendation for your plea is that you do 100 days in both cases, giving you credit for the time that you've already served, plus court costs, running them concurrent and dismissing cause number ending in 458, the burglary of vehicle. Cause number ending in 8189, also burglary of vehicles, and cause number ending in 8840, also burglary of vehicles. Ms. Pretty, is this your understanding of the recommendation?
It is, Your Honor.
And before I take the plea, Ms. Pretty, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Anything from Mr. Valdez?
Just one matter, Your Honor, that it run concurrent, the two BOVs run concurrent with each other and also with felony cause number 2023-0D06892.
Okay, and he has 91 days, correct?
Well,
Oh, no. I'm sorry, in excess of 91 days, okay. All right, then to the charge of burglary of vehicles, for both cause number 7984 and cause number ending in 8899. How do you plead, sir?
Guilty.
I'm gonna accept your plea based on the evidence submitted. I'm gonna find you guilty, sentence you to 100 days in El Paso County Jail, giving you credit for time observed plus court costs running concurrent with all the cases to include the felony. If there's nothing else, sir, you are excused, Ms. Pretty, and dismissing the others. If there's nothing else, thank you. You're excused.
Your Honor, one thing, just to clarify the court cost, he'll get credit towards that for the time that he's already served.
What is your income, Mr. Owens?
No income.
Tell me.
No income.
Where do you reside?
With the Maxwell, 47 Maxwell, but I work just to live there.
Okay, and who supports you?
Me, myself.
With how do you support yourself if you don't have any income?
Well, I have income just to live there.
Okay, what income do you have?
Just my living expenses, that's it.
Who gives you the money?
My landlord.
Your landlord gives you money to live there?
Yes, I work for my work expenses, yes.
Okay, what do you work?
It's a small apartment across the street from Subway on Maxwell.
And what do you do?
Maintenance.
You do what?
Maintenance.
So you do maintenance to get free housing?
No free housing, I work for it.
Okay, okay, so how much do you make?
For around roughly like $500 to $700 a month.
A month?
Yes.
And okay, and how much is your rent?
400.
And so how do you pay your bills?
That's included.
All the bills are included?
Yes.
And how do you pay your food?
That's through the country, United States. Welfare.
Welfare. And how about are you disabled?
No.
So how do you qualify for welfare?
Because I don't make enough money, I guess.
Okay. How long have you been on welfare?
For at least like 2 years almost now.
2 years? And where were you working prior to the 2 years?
Well, I was in prison. I got
You were in
out,
prison?
yeah, I got out in prison in 2019
Okay. How long were you in prison?
for 2 years, 2017 to 2019.
All right. Oh,
And
go
if-
ahead and, I'm sorry, go ahead.
I was just gonna say, if it helps, he still has some time to do at state jail, so he'll still be in custody until it's 10 months. He was booked, I believe, in October, so he won't be able to pay the county court cost in part because he'll be in custody too.
Okay, that's fine. I'll go ahead and give him credit.
Yeah,
Jail credit toward costs.
Thank
Okay.
you, Your Honor.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. You're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can we have Gabriel Vargas?
Yes,
Thank you.
let me know.
Morning, Mr. McLean. How are you? Mr.
Judge, how
McLean,
are
did
you
we
doing?
have a setting on this already? Did you already
Um,
file? Was I holding off on something?
No, I think that at the time I had forgotten that I had filed the motion, so I think I asked for a bit of time to file the motion, but it turns out I had filed it back in April 16. The reason why I thought I might have a motion to file is because I was going to request a particular attorney be appointed, because I filed motions in all of the courts where we had pending cases at the time. So I didn't know who the attorney appointed would be in the felony court, which is where we had this very, very severe conflict.
Do we know who now?
So it's Josh Spencer has been appointed on those, and I would recommend, Judge, of course, having the same attorney on all of those.
Okay, so
On
let's
your
just
case
not,
as well.
okay, so what is the issue for the motion to withdraw?
We
What-
have an engaging in organized criminal activity where we
Okay.
previously represented both of